Are you guys trying to figure out a way to make extra money with the place that you live at and you're a homeowner, or you want to pay the mortgage, or different options of even if you rent a place and how you can do it? Today we're going to be talking about how I made over $1,300 off of a single bedroom at one of my homes through Airbnb. And I'm going to tell you how it is oh so real, it is oh so possible, and the ways you can do it too. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button for me right now, please. It actually does help the algorithm, and it does help boost our video to get more views and reach more people so we can provide you guys this valuable information. Because I'm telling you right now, this stuff is worth about $1,300 a month or more, maybe less. I don't know, you tell me. You can find out by the end of the video. Just let me know, because I think it works. So let's get into it. Let's start from step by step. And first thing, I want to let you guys know, you can sign up down below. I have a link down below for you guys. It's a little bonus, so once you get your thing started, you get a little money kickback as well. So that'll help you out, and it'll help you get started on the process. What I did was, I have a home. It has 4 bedrooms. The other house has 4 bedrooms as well. So the house that I live in, I like to house hack. We can talk about that later, but basically with house hacking, what you do is you live in the home and you rent the home out as well. So let's start off with the first part of getting the Airbnb, getting started, making myself a believer, being confident in doing it, buying the right things, doing those type of things. I wanted to do Airbnb as soon as I bought the home, and I actually signed up for Airbnb back when I purchased the home. The same month I purchased the home, I signed up for Airbnb, and then through that I found that you need to get a permit through the city, and you have to follow those laws. You have to check within your city or state, whatever it may be, and see what those laws are. And ours is 270 days living at the residence, and you have to have a bedroom. Obviously you have to live at the residence, and then you can rent up to 2 rooms through this permit. This permit's a little bit cheaper. It's around 180 bucks or so to get it done. From there, they'll come out, inspect your property, and basically check to see if there's any smoke detectors, fire detectors, you name it, inside of the room. And you have to have one in the room and in the hallway. Once you have that complete, you're essentially ready to go. They don't care about how it looks or, you know, all those other things. They literally just want to know, is there a detector there? Is it going to be safe for that aspect of the house? If that's all good and ready to go, you really have nothing else to worry about. From there, I was approved, and I didn't do Airbnb that whole time because I didn't muster up the confidence, and I didn't want to worry about liabilities with, you know, my other tenants that stay here at the house as well. And especially if there's like a lady or something at the house that, you know, is renting, I want to make sure that there's no liabilities, and I want to make sure that everything is okay and safe. So because I don't want something bad to happen with the Airbnb and one of my tenants, or especially an Airbnb and a female. Like, I just don't want any bad situations like that. So I kind of went through all the precautionary measures and thoughts processes, and it kind of took me about 6 months just to like get my mind together, to like muster up the energy to say, hey, you know what, I'm gonna buckle down, I'm gonna do this Airbnb, I'm gonna try it out, what can hurt from there. So I said I'll do a 30-day trial, I'll see what happens from here, and it went really, really well. I'm not going back. I want to be the type of person that says, hey, Airbnb changed my life, it made things better for me, it opened my eyes to more things. Because yes, I do have tenants, yes, I do have different properties, but I want to find different avenues of income. And if I was normally charging $600 for the room, and now I'm able to make $1,300 for a single bedroom, and I have 4 bedrooms in the home, I'll sleep in the garage. I'll turn this whole garage, this is where I'm filming at right now, I'm filming in the garage. I'll turn this garage into partial studio, partial bedroom, to sacrifice, to make more money, to pay down my principal, to move faster, to grow, to be able to build more properties, to be able to do more things. I'm down for those sacrifices. So what I'm telling you guys right now is be down for the sacrifices, be down for these things, and then from there you'll be able to know, hey, I can actually do this. So what I did was I kind of just scrummaged up whatever I had. Oh, I got an extra table, I got an extra bed set, oh, I got this TV stand, oh, I got this TV for free, oh, I got that, I got this desk for free. I found some stuff off of OfferUp. I found a lot of stuff off of OfferUp and through friends that were getting rid of stuff, and that helped me form my Airbnb bedroom without spending a lot of money. Then I went in and purchased stuff like white towels, white sheets, and proper blankets, and you know, snacks and different things like that. And then I started to fold the towels and make animals on there, because the 5-star reviews is a very important part of Airbnb. We went live on the 1st, and I was like, man, nobody's booking. 2 hours, 3 hours go by, and I'm like, man, I don't think this is gonna work. Literally get a booking. Somebody's like, hey, I want to come and stay tomorrow. First booking comes in, and I'm like, what? So I'm like, cool, we got a first booking, let's get it. Bruh, the dude doesn't even show up, but guess what? I still got paid. So my very first night, the dude didn't even show up, and I still got paid the full amount. So for me, I won. Then right after that, 2 days later, when his day was up, the next day came and somebody was booking throughout that time to stay for 2 weeks. He stayed for 2 weeks. He liked it so much because he was looking to live in Portland. He decided to stay another week at the Airbnb. So now we're 3 weeks into the Airbnb, and I already have, the month is, I feel like damn near booked up, right? And he found a place in the 3rd week after the first day of staying of the 3rd week. So he moved to his home, and that whole week that I got was free, essentially free, because I didn't have to do nothing for the guy. He wasn't here. I didn't have to accommodate anything because he had already moved out to his new place. Perfect situation for me. So then after that, I'm like, okay, I need to get a booking this week while I have my free week and try to get this last week of the month filled out. And then I got a couple more bookings with a couple couples, and I was like, yo, I'm moving out of my master bedroom, and I'm about to Airbnb the master bedroom as well. If I'm cooking all this, I was already at $1,000 simply in 3 weeks off of my small bedroom. And I'm like, the master bedroom is gonna make more money, so let's try to do both bedrooms at the same time. So I got special locks with the key codes, keyless entry. I send them all their information and their keyless entry lock codes, and I reswitch those every time somebody checks in and checks out. So there's a lock on the back door, everybody enters through the back door, and then you have a special lock for your door as well with your code. So that way you know everything is secure and your spot is locked up, and everybody's rooms is like that. And those locks are about 120 bucks. So initially I did spend some money, yes, but I already have made my initial investment money back into what I've done from before day one. So I know I'm talking a lot. There's definitely a lot to cover in this video. I want to kind of make it short for you guys, but just show you, you know, it is possible. So then the last week, I ended up booking, I was able to get everything together and do the master bedroom for the last couple of days of the month. I did the small bedroom as well, and I literally just had tenants move out. Today is the 1st of July now, and we already have bookings for more than, I have $1,450 or something like that of bookings already for July, and I still have a lot of days to fill out. So now I have 2 bedrooms. I'm expecting to make anywhere from $2,500 to $3,000 simply from those 2 bedrooms. So as you can see, it is possible. You can do this. Start with 1 single bedroom, just give it a shot, give it a go, and you know, you have the opportunity to do it. Take advantage of it. Go sign up, go do it, go try it, and then make your decision from there. Do a 30-day trial, 60-day, 90-day, a year, you name it, and do the numbers, crunch the numbers, see if it's affordable. Can you sustain it? Can you maintain, you know, being a host and taking care of people and cleaning up after them? And I charge a cleaning fee as well. And if you can do those things, if you can make those sacrifices, I guarantee you it will change your income, it will change your life, and it will help you move to that next property, because now I will be working to buy my 3rd property by the end of this year or next year. I'm speaking it into existence now, because I'm telling you guys, the 3rd property is coming soon. I need 3 properties before I turn 30. I'm 27 right now, so y'all do the math. I have time, but I'm in a rush because I really want 10 before 30, and I'm gonna make it happen. You don't believe me, just watch. All right, y'all, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please drop a comment down below. Don't forget, you can sign up down below as well. I have a link for you. It will kick you back a bonus of money once you do your first booking. So go ahead and sign up through that link. It will definitely help you out. Just get some extra cash. And like I said, if you guys got any questions, let me know. I'm glad to make some other videos. I have some more topics I would like to talk about simply on you know, how to do your room right, how to host correctly, how to save the money correctly, how to manage the money, just how to manage the property, you name it. I have specific videos set up for you guys. So stay tuned for those. Thank you guys for watching. Oh my gosh, it's been a great month. I'm very excited to show you guys the growth and how these things work, because I'm actually a believer now. So I'll teach you guys how to get good reviews as well. Hopefully my reviews stay up. But right now, we need to get the subscribers up. So hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna see you later. I'm sorry I'm talking so much. I'm just very excited for you guys, because I know you can do this too. And if you don't believe in me, please believe in yourself, because I'm telling you, if you got an extra room or you got an opportunity to make some extra money, go make that money. Go make it happen. Find a way to do it. You can do it literally through renting. Like, you can rent a place and find the owner or the landlord or whatever, and you could sublet through them through Airbnb if they sign off. And we can talk about that as well. There's opportunities to make money, guys. There is opportunities. And just because you see other people doing it, and now I'm a believer, and I hope you guys believe in me, you can do it too. That's what I want to keep reiterating. You can do this too. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Deuces, gone, peace. I'm out.